Good morning, children. Next, we are going to learn about the asexual reproduction, that is apolysis. It is a kind of fragmentation method which is taking place in tapeworms, that is Taenia solium. So here I have shown the structure body of a tapeworm. You can see the head portion, that is the scolex here, and the suckers are there, and through these it gets attached to the intestinal wall and absorbs the nutrient from our intestine. So it is an endoparasite. Not only from our intestine, it is a parasite of many animals also, tapeworm. Okay, so if you see the body of the organism, it is metameric in nature. Metameric in nature means what? The body is segmented and all the segments are similar to each other. Each segment is having a male reproductive organ and the female reproductive organ. All the segments, if you see, it has similar structure. All the structures are similar in all the segments, and the body is segmented. Okay, so when it wants to reproduce by fragmentation method, it undergoes a process called apolysis. What is that? That process of fragmentation, we call it as apolysis. So the body is segmented, now it wants to reproduce by the process called apolysis. What it does, the segments, if you see, there are three kinds of segments in this tapeworm's body. They are immature segments, mature segments, and gravid segments. Okay, so each segment you can also call it as proglottids. The segments are also called as proglottids, and three kinds of segment I told. It is immature segment, mature segment, and gravid proglottid. What is gravid proglottid means? It is fully matured segment, and it has the reproductive system in it, and it has the egg. The female reproductive system is filled with eggs. It has lot of eggs in it. So gravid proglottid, you can see in this. So this is called gravid proglottid. In this picture you can see this segment they have shown, which is called as gravid proglottid. The uterus with eggs. Okay, so it is ready to undergo sexual reproduction. Such segment we call it as gravid proglottid. Okay, so apolysis means the body of the Taenia solium, it gets fragmented. The segments which is seen at the posterior end of the strobila, body of the Taenia solium is called as strobila. At the posterior end of the its body, it has gravid proglottid, which is getting separated from the main body, and it can raise into individual worms. See, the proglottids are getting separated from the main body, and it can develop into new worms. So this process we call it as apolysis, seen in Taenia solium. Okay, next we are going to learn about regeneration. What is regeneration? Regrowth of an injured tissue or organ is called as regeneration. Regrowth of an injured tissue or organ is called as regeneration. It is of two types: morphallaxis and epimorphosis. Morphallaxis and epimorphosis. What is morphallaxis? The whole body, if you are cutting the a portion of organism's body, that portion which you have cut can develop into another organism. Okay, so this example is hydra and planaria. If a hydra or a planaria is accidentally cut into many pieces, each piece can develop into that organism. Okay, so here they have shown the hydra. This is a fully mature hydra, and it is being cutted into three parts. See, upper end, lower part, and the middle portion. It's been cutted into upper end, lower end, and the middle portion. Okay, so each part is now developing into a new hydra. Each part is developing into a new matured hydra. So this kind of regeneration or the regrowth of our entire whole body, entire organism from the pieces of its body is called as morphallaxis. Then epimorphosis means the regrowth of a damaged tissue or a broken body part is called as epimorphosis. So it is of two types, reparative and restorative. What is reparative means? The damaged tissues are getting regenerated, then it is called as reparative. Restorative means you can see in the lizards and the starfish, if a lizard's tail is broken, again the tail regrows, and if an arm of a starfish is broken, again it is growing into entire starfish. So this kind of reproduction we call it as regeneration, which is also a kind of asexual method of reproduction.